Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. In this video, we will be introducing another interesting AI camera with the help of which you can easily identify any environment where you are. And the best part of this application is you will get 3 different pieces of content. So for further details, watch the video till the end. Dear subscriber, if you are interested to support us by cash, you can donate us using the thanks at the below of this video, or you can use the details given in the video description box. Every donation helps us to turn the lights on for the project V.I Tech Academy. Guys, if you are interested, you can also join us as a member and enjoy exclusive benefits. Click on the join button to learn more. So guys, the application name is Sullivan Plus. You can get it from Google Play. The links are available on our official WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel, and also in the video description below. The best part of this application is this application has 11 AI based camera related features with the help of which you can do a lot of tasks on your daily life. We will try to make detailed videos, so that's why we may not cover all the features in a single video. Today we will see how you can get the detailed image description and what's the difference between this application and others similar types of application. You will definitely get it. So guys, are you ready to enjoy this? Let's start. First of all, you have to download this application from Google Play, and then you need to create one account using your Google account or Gmail ID. So this is a straightforward process. I hope you can do it. Guys, as this video requires camera, so I will blur some portion of this video due to my privacy, as I'm recording this from my room. So now let's open this application, and after opening this application, at the below you will find 11 tabs, and at the bottom you will find a info button with the help of which you can learn more about the tab. So now I just open the application.
Tech Freedom, Sullivan Plus, AI mode, Sullivan Plus.
So
Capture,
our AI mode
capture
is
with the
open.
volume keys.
Okay, our AI mode is enabled, which means now if I just double tap on the capture button, then AI will take a picture and it will give 3 pieces of content. Number 1, it will describe the image in detail. Number 2, it will give the text. If there is any text within the image, whatever image I captured, it will tell, and then it will also recognize faces. If there is any face, it will recognize the face also. So there is a different feature of this application by which you can only recognize faces, but that we will not discuss today. We will discuss later. But for now, just I will take the picture and then we will understand this. And see, I just touch on this at the top right corner.
Mode information button.
Mode information. So if you click here, you can get the result. Now I just click tab
on auto image description. Capture button.
Capture button,
with the
which is
volume keys. Out of
below of this options. So just I am capturing it, and let's understand what's happening.
Page. There is a red cloth placed in front of the window through which light comes in.
See, now I just swiping from left to right.
Image description. There is a red cloth placed in front of the window through which light comes in. Text recognition, no result value of text recognition.
Okay, text recognition, no result value.
Face recognition, no result value of face recognition.
Okay, face recognition, no result value. So just I'm taking another
Sullivan
picture.
Plus. Capture
Let's
button.
see what
Capture with the volume keys.
What's it says.
Page. This is a photo of light coming in through a window with red curtains drawn.
Okay, now see.
Image descript. Text recognition, no result value of text recognition.
Okay, it says no result text value. So just I will take another image. Let me just turn on the light first here. Now I just take one more
Sullivan Plus.
capture.
Capture button. Page. There is a black monitor and a black microphone on a wooden table, and a world map on the wall. Image description. Text recognition, no result value of text recognition.
So here there is no text recognition.
Sullivan
Okay, I just
capture
try
button.
once more.
Page. There is a monitor and speaker on the table, and next to it is a floral plate. Image description. Text recognition, no result value of text recognition.
Okay. It is saying that no result. So which means we currently I do not have any text in my images. Okay, if you have any images in the text, you can definitely get it. See, by default TalkBack also provide the same kind of things, but here you will get detail analytics. I mean detail
Face recognition,
Okay.
additional capture.
Additional capture, so you can take another photo with this.
Save image.
Save
button.
image, you can save this image.
Share button.
Share image.
Save note
Save
button.
note, whatever description is there, you can save the note.
Stop recording.
Okay, that's it.
Save note button.
So this
Window
is
page
one of
one.
the useful application as per me now. You can get detailed image description using this AI camera mode. Now after that we will discuss one more feature of this application, but not today's video. I hope you got the feature. Now explore the application. So next video will coming soon about this application, and obviously don't forget to like, share and support this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video soon. Till then, bye bye. Happy watching.